Hello, my name's Jordan and I'm from the United States, and we stayed with Grasshopper Travel at the Arts Factory in Byron Bay, New South Wales. The Arts Factory has a lot of personality. It was a really great place to spend a night. I actually spent a couple of nights there before coming on the trip. Aside from the hostel rooms that they have, just like any other hostel, they also have 10-person teepees out in the back, as well as a campground and a bunch of 8 to 10 room camping huts out on a lake. The whole place has a really great atmosphere. There's lots of wildlife still wandering around. They have bushwalks every night. They also have live concerts there. Right across the car park from the Arts Factory, they also have the Byron Bay Brewery, and they do free shows there. They have really great beers. Also a really great place to spend an afternoon or an evening and go with a group of people. The Arts Factory itself is just a short walk from the center of town, maybe 15 minutes or so. It's really convenient. If the walk is a little bit too long for you even, they have a bus that goes every 10 minutes at night from town back into the Arts Factory, and frequently throughout the day as well. It was a really great place to spend a couple of nights. Everybody was very friendly. The staff were very helpful. And everybody's just making sure that you're having a good time and that you're entertained and know a lot about what's going on around you. The beach itself is also maybe a 10-minute walk away. It's a great location for spending your time in Byron.